Good morning, my love, and welcome to this guided morning meditation for beginners to help fill you with positive energy so that you are ready to tackle the day feeling great and feeling energized. So start by finding a posture that is comfortable for you. You can sit or lie down. Just make sure your back is nice and straight to allow your belly to expand and energy to flow freely. Then close your eyes and take a deep breath. You don't have to overdo it and fill your lungs to their full capacity. This will only make you uncomfortable and dizzy. Simply breathe calmly and naturally, but deeper than you normally would. Breathing into your stomach and not your chest. Follow a flow that works for you. You are breathing in through your nose, and as you breathe out, purse your lips slightly to help slow down your breath, and then breathe out through your mouth, slowly and fully. Follow a tempo that feels right for you, breathing in deeply and breathing out fully. Allow yourself to be calm and just enjoy these precious minutes of total relaxation. Now imagine that you are breathing in powerful healing energy. Fill your entire body with this positive energy and feel it activate every cell in your body, making you feel alive and making you feel happy. So breathe in healing and restore your body and mind with each breath you take. As you breathe out, let go of sleepiness and tiredness from your body and mind so that you can fully wake up and feel ready for another beautiful day. So breathe in this energizing air and fill your body with this positivity, making you feel excited and motivated to start your day. Then with your pursed lips, release the air through your mouth as you let go of the tiredness from your body and mind. What a peaceful moment, and what a perfect moment. Keep breathing calmly and deeply, filling your body with new energy as you get ready to start your day. Breathe in healing air and let it fill your entire body. Let it restore your body and clear your mind, filling you with positivity, making you feel eager to see what this day is going to bring, what opportunities are going to come your way, and what great experiences are you going to have. You are so excited for another day, another great day, as you decide to have a great day today. A day filled with joy and a day filled with happiness. So breathe in this positive energy and let it heal your body and make you feel alive. Now you're ready to start your day. Your body has been filled with energy and your mind is clear and awake. So take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. Now get ready to have an amazing day. Please join my membership if you enjoy my videos and want to support this channel. Simply click on the join button underneath this video to become a member of this channel. I truly appreciate all of your help and kindness. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.